Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore machines that shaped generations. Today's story is about a car that became more than just transportation in India, the Hindustan Ambassador. From government offices to family road trips, this iconic vehicle ruled Indian roads for decades and earned a permanent place in automotive history. The Hindustan Ambassador was launched in 1958, based on the British Morris Oxford. At a time when India needed a strong, simple, and reliable car, the Ambassador perfectly matched the country's conditions. Its solid metal body, high ground clearance, and ability to handle rough roads made it ideal for Indian cities and villages alike. Very soon, it became the official car of politicians, bureaucrats, and police departments. The Ambassador's design was unmistakable. Its rounded shape, large chrome grille, and wide stance gave it a commanding presence. The spacious cabin offered comfort rarely seen in cars of that era, with sofa-like seats and generous legroom. While the design changed very little over the years, that consistency became part of its charm and identity. Under the hood, the Ambassador came with petrol and later diesel engine options. These engines were not about speed but about durability. Easy maintenance, simple mechanical parts, and the ability to run for lots of kilometers made it a favorite among taxi operators and government fleets. Even today, many Ambassadors are still running, proving their legendary reliability. The Hindustan Ambassador was more than a car, it was a symbol of status and authority. Seeing an ambassador often meant a government official had arrived. It appeared in countless Bollywood movies, news footage, and family photographs. For many Indians, it represents nostalgia, childhood memories, and a slower, simpler time. As modern cars entered the market with better fuel efficiency, advanced features, and fresh designs, the Ambassador began to lose its appeal. Production officially ended in 2014, marking the close of an unforgettable chapter in Indian automotive history. Even though it is no longer in production, the Hindustan Ambassador lives on through restorations, classic car shows, and collectors' garages. It remains a proud reminder of India's automotive journey and a true legend that can never be replaced. The Hindustan Ambassador was not just a car, it was an era on wheels. From power corridors to family homes, it served the nation with pride and simplicity. A timeless icon, the Ambassador will always hold a special place in history and in the hearts of those who grew up with it.